Yeah. Hello, Cryptid Busters. This is a bad one. What do I got? It looks like the devil here, but he looks perverted and his suit doesn't quite fit right, and he's got taco stain. That's a Florida man too. Okay, whatever. All right, everybody, enough of that. It's time again to come back and try my luck at second edition. This is Buddy Mac with Menatech Gaming and Collecting. And today we're going to be trying to find ourselves a Gigi bird. I know it sounds kind of silly, but really one of the only cards left that I need. And so I figured, since these spell books are so reverse hollow heavy, it'd be the perfect place for me to try and find one. Because sometimes the second edition boxes are just really, really good. They're really good to you. Beautiful promo. And it's a nice playable card too. And of course we got our coin. We got our Book of Aura, or our deck of auras. I don't think I need any of the hollows, so I'm not going to open that right now. But if I did, I'd be cracking the thing. Alright. And get a box of sleeves and some tokens. But that's not why we're here. We're here to pull a Gigi bird. Will that happen? I don't know. I think our chances are pretty good. Unending fire crystal. Not bad. I'll sleeve these up later. Right now, I just want to see if we can pull a Gigi bird, because I've popped a lot of product, and funny enough, that's the one card that I have not pulled is the hollow Gigi bird. Yeah, Loveland Frogman reverse. I'll take that all day long. Alright. Great news on that. We'll always take the Frogman.
Especially when the brother needs it for his water deck.
That's right. He needs it for his water deck. Alright, what else we got? Mermaid scales. Reverse. Can't argue with that. Still not what we're looking for. Can I get a Gigi bird, please? It's so funny for me to be jonesing for a Gigi bird, but my set is so close to complete, and that one spot just haunts me. Just need a reverse hollow Gigi bird. Didn't get that, but got the black cat. Beautiful card, but not what we're looking for. Let's try it again. Play it again, Sam. Alrighty. And we get, there he is. That's it. That's the boy we've been looking for.
Got the Gigi bird.
Got the Gigi bird. Look at him. I know it sounds silly, but I've really been trying to pull this thing for quite a bit. Alright. Let's continue on, see what other goodies we can find in here. Because they're chock full of goodies. And I think people are still sleeping on second edition. For example, the hollow that comes out of this brick generally sells for about 20 bucks. So And also the, that's not what we're looking for either, but it's nice. The second ed booster boxes come with a box topper. That box topper goes for 30 bucks. The whole box is selling for 60, or right at 60, just 59. It's hard to lose when it's that cheap. I know I loaded up earlier, but yeah, Chibi Quetzal. I love this card. One of my favorite cards out of this set. But these boxes are cheap. The second ed spell books, those are, they've kicked up in price. They were at 20 bucks. Now they're like 26, but that's still a great price for what you get. At least I think so, anyway. Space Pants. We got the Fresno Nightcrawlers. That is a really strong card. Saw that almost take apart Lightning in the Denver Collecticon. I don't know if anybody else watched that, but I thought it was a great time. That stream was really good. The commentators were really good. It was a fun time. Try not to drop the camera. Hey, Black Hole Shard. I mean, anything right now is gravy, because... Oh! Alright, well, let's get this done, because my janky makeshift stand just died. Last pack magic. Magic is real and magic is everywhere. Is it in this pack? Let's find out. Yeah, we got a Matlocks reverse holo. Yeah. I didn't really have any expectations for the last pack anyway, so sure, we'll call that magic. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed my flopping around and that pack. And hope you had a little bit of fun. Thanks for hanging out. And until next video, peace out, guys.